So here we have a coin of Lydia. This is kind of close to the beginning of Coinage. This is an Electrum coin, which is a gold-silver alloyed mix. We've talked about Electrum coins, the fact that they actually would debase the gold using silver. And there's different variety amounts of silver that are added to these coins to lighten the gold. And they did this purposely. And so on these smaller denominations, this is a very small hectade, it only weighs 4.7 grams. You typically have a lion on these, which is a very powerful, obviously, strength god. And a lot of people used to think that the thing above its eye was a nose wart, but really what it is, it's a sunburst.
And that makes way more sense.
And some people will argue, I've heard even people argue that maybe the king or satrap or leaders of the time had a wart, and so that they were portraying the wart of the emperor. But I believe this is a sunburst, and that during this time they were they wanted the Babylonian sun god to worship over them, and so it makes sense to not only use the power of the lion, but also have this sun god over him as well. And so that makes the most sense.
That does make the most sense. And then the incuse on the back, because this is really super early coinage.
It is. And so a lot of these early ones will have the incuse. These have been going for really stupid prices, minimum $1,500 to $2,000 and up, depending how nice. If it's really nice, they go for $4 or $5 grand. This one's worn, but what's really nice is that even though it's worn, the sunburst is really strong and the quality is okay for what it is. And their starting bid at 250 Swiss francs is very inexpensive. And so again, we talk about buying inexpensive coins, and when you can look at a coin that typically goes for crazy money, what are you willing to lose? And then if you're willing to lose something, in this case, it's going to be the strength of the strike and also the wear, but you still have a lot of the quality of the characteristics of the aesthetics there and the artwork. And so if you can get this coin for under 800 euros, that's a great deal. And it's a great representative of a coin that's very difficult to get for a lot of people who don't have $2,000 or more to spend. And so I picked this for that reason, because I thought that buying ancient coins at reasonable prices.